Hey, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We are inside our Maxim and we're talking about ugly screens. If you look at this screen, the one side from the sun, it's all bleached out. It's no longer black. It just looks terrible. So we're going to show you how to fix these. Now it's bonded in, all right? So you can't really put a new screen in here, but we're going to take them home and glue them and show you how we're going to glue them. It's going to be interesting because we have plenty of screen material. But to take these out is pretty simple, all right? So we're going to show you that here while we're on the boat. Well, taking a screen out, you just open up the window like this, and then you've got the screen in here. You can kind of push it up and pull it. You want to be careful not to drop them in the water if you're in the water. Hey, I got that out. I was careful not to drop it in the water. And looks like all of these will be the same. We got one more in the bathroom to do. We're going to go get that one. And then we'll bring you back at home when we fix them. Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We've brought our screens home. We're in the basement. Now you can see it's molded in between, but what we're going to do is take a knife. We're going to cut them out. So we're just going to come in with a knife, go right by the edge here, and cut these out really nice. Now they're going to be hard to cut out because you can see we've got some edging here, so we're going to have to. Well, we got ourselves a nice flat file. We can come in here and kind of file this to get rid of the edge. So we got these cleaned up. So one of the next things we have to do is get ourselves some screen cut out. We got some new screen here to put in there. So we're just going to take some screen, roll it out, and cut a strip off that we can use to redo these. Just going to cut a big piece off. Basically take one of these, lay it out like this about here. Not going to worry about how much hangs over the edge because we'll trim that later. So there you go. We got enough screen cut out to cover. Let's make sure we got enough of these. So we now have a sheet of 220, and we can take these and just do this. And what you want to do is you want to have the whole surface matte like you see there. We're going to lay that down on our wax paper over here. We do have a piece of wax paper here we could show you. The wax paper is so the epoxy don't stick. So we're going to just lay them down out here as we go. We got ourselves some Weld plastic epoxy. Don't know if it's the best, but it's what we're going to use. Do is apply the epoxy to these a little bit at a time here. And all we want is a good thin coat on here. We may have to mix more epoxy. We may not have enough. Just need a good light coat on here. You can see how we got a nice light coat on there of epoxy. We'll lay it down and we'll get a little bit more on the corner where we missed. Once that's on there, you want to take a piece of your screen and put it over it like this and pull it down, push it in there good. The idea being you want the epoxy to go through the screen just like that. When you pull the screen, you'll see the epoxy go in through the screen, and then you can just leave it. And you can move on to another one. I'll put a couple weights on that other one, and we'll mix some more epoxy. There we go. We've got them. They're done for now. We'll come back tomorrow night and trim them off. We're going to let them set up overnight. So we'll catch you in the next video. Well, welcome back. So we let these dry overnight, and you can see how the screen, it's in there real good. So now what we have to do is come here and trim the screen. So again, we're going to get out our little knife, and this time on the outside here, we're going to only cut towards the screen. You don't want to try to pull it away. Well, we're back on the boat with our fixed up screens, and we're going to show you how to put one in. You got to be careful not to drop these in the water if you're in the water like we are. So we turn these latches here. When it's like this, it's locked. When you turn it this way, it's all open. You can open this part up. It's out of your way. It says inboard, so we know how that goes. And then we can kind of take this and squeeze it in here. That's what you gotta be careful for. You don't want them to fall out. We'll try this direction here. If you get it started crooked, sometimes you got to work it. Gotta wait till you get it in the tabs just right. Once it's in the tabs like that just right, you're all set. You can close your window, and there you go. Oh, you can see how that screen is. If you open the window, there it is. It's sealed up. You can turn this around. We can go to the outside. We'll show you the outside. So there you go. You can see how nice that looks from the outside there. It's all nice and pretty black now. Hey, so thanks for watching another My Two Good Hands video. Links in the descriptions to some Amazon stuff that does help support the channel. So please like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Keep watching the videos. Simple how-tos to save you money. This was some excess screen, a little bit of epoxy, a little bit of sandpaper. Easy job. This is simple to do. And now I'm bug-free. And I look good.